All right, so in this lecture, we are going to be doing the photorealistic painting style. So no matter what painting style I do, I almost always start out with a rough sketch, which is what we're going to do in this one. So I have my background layer, which I've brought to gray. We make a new layer, and we're going to call this rough sketch. And you know what? For my background, let's actually go with a desaturated sort of green color. We want to do that for this here. All right. Then we'll come up here with a dark gray to draw. I'm just using, round brush here. Let's see. We're gonna go with hard round from the Evident concept art pack. Whoa, what the heck's going on? Let me bring that back here. Turn my touch off. There we go. Okay, so bring my brush size down. And the idea that I wanted to go for in this one was sort of like a kind of cute, kind of creepy, weird looking little alien bird thing. And so, like I said, we're going to start really loose here. And when I do ones that are photorealistic, personally, I like to, for this one, the way we're going to keep it really small, like the creature is a small creature and we're kind of zoomed in close up looking at it, because you can really see a lot of the detail and like the skin texture and stuff like that. And so I'm going to keep this guy, I mean, he'll fill up the page, but he's going to feel like he's a small creature. Okay, have his tail come down here, I think. I think his ears, we're gonna have these big sort of, not necessarily floppy, but big kind of goofy looking ears. He almost kind of looks like a Furby, but we'll make sure he doesn't. If you are old enough to remember Furbies. We have some little horns here. Okay, you get my selection tool. He feels a little bit too squat. Let's go ahead and grab that, and we're gonna bring him up. Oops. There we go. That looks a little better, I think. And yeah, he'll have, whoops, let's get back to our brush here. Kind of have like some sort of hairs or something like that coming off. A little hair in his ears. And it'll be pretty wrinkly. Also, let's tell a little bit more of a story here and add some other characters to the scene. Let's do like maybe these little, I don't know, little sort of creatures that are sort of sitting on his head maybe. Another one down here sort of sitting on the branch looking up at him or something. And, you know, there'll probably be some leaves here in the foreground. The background we're going to have be out of focus. All right, there we go. That is it for our rough sketch. That's as far as I would take it. We got something nice and loose. It's something that we can continue to draw on and sort of tighten up a little bit, but it gives us a good starting place with an idea of what it is we want to go for. So that'll be it for this lecture, and I will see you guys in the next one.